The Tension Interactive Calculator solves for rope tension forces in various mechanical configurations. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose Single Rope, solve for tension, 2 ropes, symmetric, solve for tension, 2 ropes, asymmetric, solve for both tensions, Atwood machine, solve for tension, single rope, solve for maximum mass, or 2 ropes, symmetric, solve for required angle. For this demonstration, I'm using single rope, solve for tension. Enter the mass in kilograms, gravity in meters per second squared, and angle from vertical in degrees. Here's a worked example. With mass at 50 kilograms, gravity at 9.81 meters per second squared, and angle from vertical at 30 degrees, click Calculate. The results show tension T equals 490.50 newtons. This is the force in the rope needed to support the 50 kilogram mass at a 30-degree angle. The weight W also shows 490.50 newtons, which represents the gravitational force on the mass. This calculator quickly determines the exact tension forces in your rope systems. Find the link in the description below.